In Ireland, there's an old saying, Ní bhíonn saoi gan locht. There is no wise person without flaw. This proverb or seanachal is a gentle reminder that wisdom comes not from perfection, but from embracing our imperfections. In ancient Ireland, the sea was the sage, the wise one, deeply respected, especially within the bardic schools, where poets and keepers of knowledge were trained. Wisdom was not about being flawless, but about learning through experience, including from one's mistakes. It is through missteps and our reflection, as well as our achievements, that we come to know ourselves more fully. From a Jungian psychology perspective, Carl Jung suggested that wisdom arises through integrating the parts of ourselves that were once deemed maybe imperfect and relegated to the shadow. In this light, wholeness isn't about being without fault, but about making space for all that we are. This proverb reminds us that true wisdom lies in the humility and acceptance required to embrace it all. Ní bhíonn saoi gan locht. There is no wise person without flaw.